Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a camera test of the Oppo Reno 3, and this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and you get quad cameras on the back in 60,000 PKR from Oppo, and the main sensor on the back is the 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 13 megapixel 2x optical zoom, and lastly we have a 2 megapixel for depth sensing. On the front we have a 44 megapixel front camera in this notch, as you can see, and the front camera give you a very high quality shots. So now let's see the camera UI of the Oppo Reno 3, and this phone is running on the latest software version, which is the Android 10 with Color OS version 7. And you can see here is the camera UI. You get all the features that you normally see on Oppo phones. You also get portrait mode with photos, with videos as well. Now let's go to the mode section, and you can see we have some more features. And when you go to the video section, you also get ultra steady mode also, as well as ultra steady pro mode. And guys, when you go to the photo mode, you also get ultra wide. As guys you can see, here is your ultra wide, here is your 1x, and here is your 2x optical zoom, and here is your 5x, and you can go all the way up to 20x hyper zoom, as guys you can see. And the back camera is the 48 megapixel, and also we have a night mode with the back camera as well as with the front camera, and this night mode is available with all lenses, and you can see you can use in ultra wide, you can use with 2x optical zoom. Now let's show you the camera samples as well as a lot of video recording. You get better idea regarding the camera performance of the Oppo Reno 3. Okay guys, and this is a 4K with a 30 frames per second video recording of the Oppo Reno 3, and you guys are the judge of the video quality. It is now in 4K. It is only support with the 30 frames per second. We don't have any 60 FPS option on this phone. So now let's little bit walking, and let me know how the video is looks in the comment section below. And the colors looks pretty good on this phone, and you can see, and the autofocus speed, it is also really fast on this phone, as guys you can see. Overall the colors looks really good, and you can see the colors looks really good on this phone. Now let's go to indoor and show you the video quality in indoor. Okay guys, and here is the video quality indoor, and video quality it is little bit soft, and you can see, and the video quality it is little bit soft. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 60 fps video recording of the Oppo Reno 3 with the back camera. Okay guys, and you can see that here is the video quality in humans, and you can see, and you guys are the judge of the video quality on humans, how is the skin tone is gonna look like in video recording. And guys, also you can also switch between lenses, and you can see here is a 2x optical zoom, and here is your 5x optical zoom on this phone. Now little bit walking, and let's see how this video is looks. So now little bit running. I don't enable the ultra steady mode right now. Okay guys, now I enable the ultra steady mode on this phone. So now let's running. And you can see in the video quality it looks really smooth in the viewfinder, although video quality it is little bit soft. You can see that the video quality it is really smooth. Now let's enable the ultra steady pro mode. Okay guys, and this is a ultra steady pro mode, and you can see and the video quality it is little bit wide because it uses the ultra wide lens, I believe. So now let's running. I am just holding my phone with my hand, and you can see and video quality is very soft than before, but you get very smooth video recording without any using the gimbal, which is a really good feature, but the video quality is not really good. Okay guys, and this is a live focus video mode of the Oppo Reno 3, and you can see and my background is little bit blur, and you can see and let me know how is the live focus video is looks like on the Oppo Reno 3. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 frames per second video recording of the Oppo Reno 3, and the front camera is a 44 megapixel, and you guys are the judge of the video quality. The front camera does not give you a 60 fps option. So now let's little bit running and let me know how the video is looks, it is shaky or not. Okay guys, and this is a live focus video recording from the front camera of the Oppo Reno 3, and again front camera is a 44 megapixel, and you can see and my background is blur. So now let's see it is work on two humans at the same time, and you can see that it is work on two peoples, which is really good. Okay guys, and this is the night video recording of the Oppo Reno 3 in night, and the back camera is a 48 megapixel, and you guys are the judge of the video quality in night. And guys, I like the color reproduction in night, especially for some reason. Now some little bit walking, and I am just holding my phone with my hand. Let me know what you guys think about the video quality of the Oppo Reno 3. Now let's see the 4K mode. Okay guys, and this is a 4K video recording of the Oppo Reno 3 in night. So now let's little bit walking. You can see you guys are the judge of the video quality as well as the microphone quality as well, and the video quality it is seems like really good on the Oppo Reno 3 in night especially. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 frames per second video recording of the Oppo Reno 3 in night. So now let's little bit walking and let me know what you guys think about the video quality of the Oppo Reno 3. And you can see the front camera is give you a so much noisy video recording according to what I see on the viewfinder. Thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Oppo Reno 3. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3. Do you like the camera? Do you like the display? Let me know in the comment section below. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 3. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.